We've just been told that Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister, is presently speaking. Let's cut straight across and listen.
প্রসেসটা তাড়াতাড়ি হবে এবং তাতে আমরা ফাঁসির দাবি জানাবো। কারণ কিছু মনে রাখবেন, কিছু লোক এখনো সামাজিক অবক্ষয়ের মধ্যে আছে, সামাজিক মূল্যবোধ আছে। মেয়েদের গায়ে হাত দেওয়া যে এবং তার সাথে যে অত্যাচার করেছে বা তাকে
Everybody was there. How these things happen? Still I'm not understanding. I told police. If somebody is there, who is an insider. I have asked police to call and interrogate all who were there. The principal also has resigned. He has said the way he has been saying bad things about him, he wants to resign. We have also removed the super. We have also removed the APT.
সবাইকেই সরানো হয়েছে এবং ডগ স্কোয়াড থেকে শুরু করে ভিডিও থেকে শুরু করে
Forensic department, doctor, everything has been removed.
সবাইকেই ইনভলভ করা হয়েছে যাতে খুনি গ্রেফতার হয় এবং দোষীরা শাস্তি পায়। এবং আমি চাই পুলিশ যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব তাদেরকে গ্রেফতার করবে। আর রবিবার পর্যন্ত যদি তারা কোন কিনারা করতে না পারে, কারণ ভেতরেও তো অনেকে আছে, তাহলে এই কেসটা আমরা আমাদের হাতে রাখবো না, আমরা সিবিআইকে
By 50 days this case is not going to be solved, then we will give it to CBI.
কিন্তু ওদের সাকসেস রেট খুব কম। তাপসী মালিককে যখন খুন করে হত্যা করা হয়, ধর্ষণ করে, আজ পর্যন্ত বিচার হয়নি। 21 শিবপুরে নন্দীগ্রামে যখন 14 জন গুলিতে মারা যায়, আজও তারা ফিরে আসে। এই কেসটা সিবিআই এর হাতে ছিল, রিজার্ভমেন্ট এসেছিল, একটা কেসেরও বিচার হয়নি। এমনকি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের নবগ্রহে চুরি হয়েছে, মানুষের স্যাটিসফ্যাকশনের জন্য। যদি কেউ ভাবতে পারে যে পুলিশ ঠিক মতো করতে পারছে না, যদিও ক্যালকাটা পুলিশ তাদের তদন্তের যে সিস্টেমটা এবং সবচেয়ে ভালো অফিসারকে লাগানো হয়েছে সমস্ত কিছু দিয়ে। আমরা রোববার পর্যন্ত সবাইকে ডাকবো, আমাদের পুলিশ ডাকবে, এটা বিনীত বলবো, আমি বিনীতকে কোথায় বলেন জানাচ্ছি।
Everyone, the police officers who are involved, I'll call all of them.
যারা ওই পিওর কাছাকাছি ছিলেন, কোনো ধরনের কোনো কানেকশন আছে, ইনভলভমেন্ট আছে, প্রত্যেকটা লোককেই ডাকা হচ্ছে।
Anyone who was around her and around the situation, and anyone who may be responsible for the action, we've already begun to the investigation. We've already begun to take action among those people, and also about those who we are suspicious and who showed some suspicious activity.
কালকে এডিশন সিপি1 পার্সোনালি এখানে এসেছিলেন, উনি ওনার ভিউটা জেনে গেছেন। আমিও আজকে এসেছি, ম্যাডাম এখানে এসেছেন, আমরা ওনার ভিউটা জেনে গেছি এবং ওদের সঙ্গে আমরা কন্টিনিউয়াসলি যোগাযোগে থাকবো এবং প্রোগ্রেস অফ ইনভেস্টিগেশন নিশ্চয়ই ওদের সঙ্গে শেয়ার করবো। এবং
I will be in touch with the family. The CM is also here. We'll be in touch with the family, and whatever developments take place, we'll do, and we'll ensure that justice is done.
और यदि ता सत्त्वेও यदि फैमिली স্যাটিসফ্যাকশন না থাকে, ম্যাডাম যা বলেছেন সেটা দিদি একটা প্রশ্ন
Okay, so Mamata Banerjee speaking right now after her visit to the family members of the rape victim. She said the case is going to be handed over to a fast-track court. She said that anyone who's going to be held responsible is going to be punished. She also said that she's going to be in touch with the family and will ensure that justice will be done. There were also the police who were there with the Chief Minister, the DCP Kolkata, who was also along with her. Mamata Banerjee has made this trip to visit the family members amid also a nationwide strike that has been called by the doctors of the medical fraternity who are demanding justice and security for their colleague who's brutally raped and murdered inside Kolkata's KG Card Medical College. And in the wake of this uproar, you have the Chief Minister who has paid a visit to the victim's family. I'm going to go straight across now to Komalika. Komalika, first of all, can you just tell us what exactly has the Chief Minister said? I just gave a gist of it, but if you could give us more details of the Chief Minister's assurance.
What really the Chief Minister said, or the Chief Minister clearly said, Chief Minister clearly said that till Sunday, the state police, the Kolkata police will conduct the investigation. But if the investigation is still not over, still not closed, then she will hand it over to CBI. She has told the police to interrogate each and every person who was there. She believes that Kolkata police is the best police, but if by Sunday the case does not get resolved, then she will refer it to CBI. Now this is one of the big statements which she has made. She has also stated that from the very first day, police has taken up the matter. Everybody is being interrogated. If somebody is there who is an insider and is also involved in this crime, then that person will also not be spared. Along with that, she has said that the medical super has been removed, the SCP has been removed, the principal has himself resigned. So all these things they have, she said all these things, but the big take point of the CM visit is CM clearly has said that if by Sunday the case is not solved, then she will hand over to CBI. Though she has already also said that CBI has till now not the record, that there is no good record of CBI solving any cases. But even if the parents want, then till Sunday they will see. After that, they will hand over to CBI. And Mamata Banerjee talking of handing over the case to CBI clearly shows that the wholehearted attempt of the administration on this case. Now there's huge pressure. Nationwide this protest is going on. There is huge pressure, and on this pressure, definitely the administration is taking all these steps which they are supposed to take. And on this, the Mamata Banerjee saying that CBI, she will hand over it to CBI day after Sunday if the case is not solved, is definitely a very, very big statement.
Oh, absolutely. The fact that she's saying that this case will be handed over to the CBI in case the Kolkata police doesn't complete the investigations is a big one coming in from the Chief Minister. Has this demand also come in from the family members that they also would like the highest investigating authority to probe the murder of their child?
Yeah, obviously the family also wants the highest type of investigation, because this was equivalent or even more than the Nirbhaya murder case. So obviously the family, they want justice. That's their main point. Getting justice is their main point. So definitely the family also they also want CBI. But the fact is, here the Chief Minister came. The authorities now obviously trying to show that, see, we have done everything, whatever has to be done, that projection is there. Mamata Banerjee talking on the very first day with the parents and coming today and meeting the parents and assuring them that nobody will be spared. Not only that, on the top of that, this assurance has been given that if the parents want CBI, then obviously after Sunday, if the case is not closed, then, and also she has said that this case should be actually, the trial should take place in the fast track court. That is also another important point which she has mentioned, that this trial should take place on the fast track court. This is another big statement given by Mamata Banerjee. Clearly, all the authorities trying to show that we are actually doing everything to solve the case, to stand by the parents, to listen to the doctors, and listening to the doctors, they have taken up, they have actually solved all the, they have tried to solve all the demands that has been made by the doctors. But the big question still arises that one rape and murder that was required to come up with such, such briefing up of security, such new advisories. How, what, from where this person was getting power to go inside in the wee hours of the night, all these questions will be there. At the cost of this murder, now things will fall in place. But was this murder required? Had things been okay before that, had security been provided before that, this date would not have come. Imagine the parents' condition. They had a dream. Their daughter will become a doctor. She almost became a doctor. And one fine night, she was brutally murdered.